I really love this app because it is game-changing for businesses and individuals in so many ways. And I'm going to show you how here in just a minute. So stay with me for the next few minutes, and I'll show you how you can fly high in 2023 and beyond with this incredible app. But first, you're probably wondering, Chad, what the heck is NFC, and what are you talking about? Well, here's the official definition. You see, NFC stands for Near Field Communication. And what it is, it's an exchange of data, but it happens in close proximity, like less than 4 centimeters. So you're used to having a pair or connect, all that technology that we're already doing in our lives. Well, totally different now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to explain how this works. I'm going to make it stupid simple for you. And I think that you're going to be able to relate to this. Say that I'm making a purchase, all right? So it's time to check out. So I take out my wallet and I'm going to go ahead and grab a credit card or a debit card, right? And if you're at Starbucks or something, what do? You go ahead, you slide the card over the register and it automatically charges your card, right? Well, that right there is NFC in play. And it's very popular currently for payments. And I'm here to tell you it is slowly growing in other fields. You have no idea how excited I am about this whole entire technology. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how this works with a short little demo, right? And this right here is the actual card. This card actually has the technology inside of it. So let me roll to the demo and you'll see exactly how this works.